Here's our 2015 GMC Yukon Denali XL. This truck actually came to us as a salvage title from the insurance company. There is no damage here to this fender whatsoever. All the damage to the truck was actually just this corner. So this fender was replaced. If I remember correctly, the hood was replaced as well. It was just kind of damaged, if I remember right, just along this edge. There was no damage to the doors back, absolutely no damage to the right side of the vehicle, no damage to the roof, and no damage up underneath any of the suspension or frame or anything like that. Very simple repair. If you look on our website, you'll see that we've done many of these before. However, not a lot of XLs. I believe we've only had 2 or 3 XLs. The XLs are a lot harder to get. It seems like everybody wants those, and they go for quite a premium. Everything works. No idiot lights whatsoever. I'm sure a million people are going to ask me what this barcode is here, and I honestly can't tell you. It is just a sticker. It'll peel off. It's never been on any of the other Denalis, so I'm guessing it's some sort of a, I don't know, a dealership thing. When they bought it brand new, the dealership can just come up and scan it, know who you are and whatnot. It does have a backup camera. Look how, normally I'd do a little bit more showing, but as you can see here in the video, I'm kind of getting eaten alive by mosquitoes that decided to come out and play tonight. Can't really see any dents, dings, scratches, or anything like that. It's nice and clean. All the paintwork was done by our local GM dealership. They, trust me, they know what it is that they're doing. Go ahead and shut her off. You can see down in here, got one key for it. Does have remote start, power rear liftgate. One thing I always do is I always kind of shut the vehicles off. I'll put my seatbelt on just so we don't get a seatbelt light. Of course, I'll open up the door. This just kind of resets everything, just that way you can see what it looks like on a fresh startup. So I will go ahead and press the button, and I'll keep my hand up here just so you know I'm not clearing anything. As you can see, after she boots up, everything is fine. This one's just green light up here in the corner is just saying our daytime running lamps are on, or our headlights are on, I should say, because it's a little darker out. Currently there's 18,806 miles on it. Runs great, drives great. Power pedals, lane departure, park assist, traction control. This is 4-wheel drive, so you got 2 high auto, 4 high, 4 low. Power windows, locks, mirrors, doors, and of course child locks. And then down here, down below, are your memory seats. And being the Denali package, you got the nice full center console, heated and cooled seats. Of course, a nice nifty little hidden cave for you to put your iPod or phones or whatever you need to in there. We'll go ahead and turn our interior lights on. Hopefully that'll kind of light the place up a little bit. Maybe not so much. Okay, go for a little test drive. gas are pretty good here. It's a little harder than normal, obviously, but just kind of letting you know that, you know, I'm not trying to hide anything, I guess, if you will, or fluff anything by trying to baby it. Normally I wouldn't drive them like that. And I'll accelerate normal this time, so you know I'm not trying to cover anything up by trying to always accelerate hard. Set the cruise. And as you can see, we're going kind of straight down the road here. I'll let go of the steering wheel. You can see I'm not touching it whatsoever. Steering wheel is still straight, and we're still going straight down the road. Nice, quiet, doesn't need anything. I'll accelerate a little hard again. It does have heated steering wheel, collision avoidance, or collision alert, I believe they call it. Again, as you can see, I'm not touching the steering wheel at all. We're going straight down the road. First being a Denali, it's got the 6.2 engine, variable valve timing. As you go through the menu, basically what that means is when you go down the interstate, it'll deactivate 4 of the cylinders, causing you to use less fuel as you drive. So they're actually, for the size of the vehicle, they're pretty fuel efficient. You know, as long as you go down the interstate, 40 mile, or I'm sorry, on 4 cylinders. Well, that's going to conclude our test drive here for the day. So, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email us. We'll do what I can to answer you. Thank you very much, and you have yourself a good evening.